Now we want to write an equation which has this solution set. We are going to go backwards through the zero product rule. X minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. If we saw this equation, we would change the signs inside the parentheses to get to our solutions. We're just going in the opposite direction. Foiling together, we have x squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 equals 0. And the two middle terms can be combined together, and we have x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0 as the quadratic equation which produces those two solutions. Now we want to do the same thing, but with these two complex solutions. We're going to write x minus the first solution, 1 plus 2i, times x minus the second solution, 1 minus 2i, equals 0. Then we're going to remove the inner parentheses by distributing the negative within each bracket, and this will give us x minus 1 minus 2i times x minus 1 plus 2i. And then upon careful observation, you will notice that each of these brackets begins with an x minus 1. So I'm going to group these x minus 1's together, and you'll notice we have an a minus b times an a plus b situation here. And so we can apply the difference of two squares principle to this and just find a squared minus b squared. A squared becomes x minus 1 squared minus b squared is 2i quantity squared equals 0. And we will have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 4i squared. Well, minus 4i squared is going to become plus 4 equals 0, and the equation we're looking for is x squared minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0.